Hey guys, I know my series on snacks got sidetracked with me being sick, but today we're going to make crack oyster crackers. That's what I'm calling them. Crack oyster crackers. So I'm going to turn you down. Now I'm going to put a little bit more stuff in it than we did on like firecrackers. But I'm going to turn you down so you can see it, okay? Okay, you just have a 9-ounce bag. Sometimes they come in 12-ounce, and this is just the oyster crackers. Okay? Sometimes they come in the 12-ounce package. This is the 9-ounce, so it's not as big. But again, we're just going to put it in a bag, just like we did with our regular crackers. And then we're going to put about a half a cup of canola oil. Now, I use canola oil. I know some other people I've seen them use. But I'm only going to use a half a cup because I only have 9 ounces of crackers. And I'm not going to use a whole packet of seasoning because I only have 9 ounces of crackers. Again. Okay, I'm going to use a kind of heaping tablespoon of my ranch. And we're just going to put it all together this time. Let's do a heaping tablespoon, and then let's do a teaspoon. I think it'll be in kind of a heaping teaspoon. So it's almost a whole pack, but not quite. So, because I just don't want to overpower it. Now we are going to use a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. You know, a teaspoon. That's a teaspoon. We used 3 tablespoons in those firecrackers because, firecrackers are hot, right? And then we have garlic powder. We're going to use a teaspoon. Gosh, I keep saying tablespoon. Teaspoon of, and you don't have to say it, you don't have to be exact. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to use a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, so it's a little bit different than our original firecrackers, but that's why I'm calling these just crack oyster crackers. Just stir them in there good. And this is another savory snack. You want to get all your stuff out though. And you can, guys, you can put your oil in there, then put each one of your stuff in there dry. You can do that. I just mixed it all together. It really does not matter how you put it in there. And also, you can, now, I've seen several recipes call for dill, like a teaspoon of dill. I don't do dill, so I'm not putting dill in these. But then you just mix them up just like we do our soda crackers. Now, if you want to, like you say, you decide at 5 o'clock to make these, and you're having your party at 7. You decide at 5 o'clock to make them, you're having your party at 7. You can, after you get them all mixed up like this, get them mixed up real good. Y'all know I showed you when we make our crackers, to kind of get all the goodie into all the crackers. You can put them on a lined baking sheet and put them in the oven at 225 or 250. The temperature don't really matter that much. 225, 250. You just want a low temperature for about 8 to 9 minutes. Let them kind of dry out like that, and then they'll be ready to eat that night. So if you, decide at the very last minute to make them, you can put them in the oven. You can do that to firecrackers too. You can put them in the oven, and they'll be ready. But other than that, you just keep turning them, just like we do our firecrackers ever so often. And no, it does not get soggy. Those of you that have made the firecrackers, y'all know it doesn't get soggy. It just somehow, those crackers absorb that oil, and they even become a little more crispy, I think. So anyhow, there's another savory snack for game time. Christmas Eve night when you're having fun, Christmas Day when you're having fun, you've already eaten and you just want something to snack on in the afternoon, have you a whole bunch of different snacks. Now I'm going to come on later today, maybe tonight, and make a different kind of snack that uses oyster crackers, but it's going to be a sweet snack, not savory. So we'll do that a little later. But I just wanted to hop on and do these right now. And again, this was a 9-ounce package of oyster crackers, and it was just the cheap brand, the best value, the grocery store brand, because I'm gonna tell you, the oyster crackers in Nabisco, I think it was Nabisco, one of the name brands anyway, it didn't look, I like the look of the little oyster cracker, and they didn't look like oyster crackers, that other brand, the name brand. So I got this brand. It really doesn't matter, guys, because we're making them taste totally different than what they taste normally. So there's your good snack. All right, love you guys. Bye. Oh, and don't forget now, we're between the 8,000 and the 8,000 and the 9,000 follower mark. The more you share, the more you comment, the more you send up hearts and stuff like that. Facebook keeps accounts. You get points. Excuse me, for each time that you do that. And it adds up. It adds up. So, y'all keep doing it. We've got our followers for this week. Our top engagers written down already for this week. So, they do it every week. It redoes on Sunday, whatever you call it. Like, does the new week on Sunday. So, y'all be commenting and all the things so that y'all can be in on the giveaway. Be another 18-piece bowl set given away when we reach 9,000. All right? Love you guys. Bye.